If you are a student or a researcher, then today's video is going to be very useful to you because in this video, I will be sharing with you top 6 highly useful AI tools that will take your academic journey to the next level in 2026. Whether your challenge is finding right literature or reading and understanding the papers, writing research paper, thesis, and review or creating scientific images, plagiarism and AI detection, or managing your research projects and tasks, I will be covering all these things in this single video. So stay with me till the end. First thing first, if you are tired of conventional way of finding relevant literature using PubMed or Google Scholar, then you should try Semantic Scholar. Why? Because it is an AI-powered search engine which has access to over 200 million articles. It allows you to filter papers based on authors, dates, journals, and disciplines. You can sort papers based on high citation score or influence of the paper. It also provides a list of related papers you should read, cite, and other options that are very helpful for you. The next thing a student struggles with is reading dozens of papers on a particular topic. So if you are looking for an AI tool that quickly summarizes and explains multiple papers, then you must try SciSpace. It gives you summaries of multiple papers in a tabular format for a quick view. You can customize the columns to include information like abstract, methods, research gaps, limitations, conclusions, and others. It also provides a chat feature that helps you understand the research paper. It offers several other useful features like data extractor, presentation generator, and others. If you want to learn more about it in detail, watch my full tutorial and best buying links along with the discount codes given in the description. Another most challenging thing is academic writing. Whether it's a research paper, review, or a thesis, students and researchers spend weeks and months in completing it. But this AI tool, Jenni, will help you complete it much faster. Using Jenni, you can brainstorm ideas and generate outlines so that you do not feel lost while writing. And if you are stuck at some point, the autocomplete feature will help you to write the sentence together with the in-text citation of the referred paper along with its full reference at the end. Now, if you have written any text but forgot to cite relevant paper, you can use Cite feature of the Jenni to find relevant papers you can consider to directly cite. These citations are not any random papers, but highly relevant papers. Most users of this tool find the feature like improved fluency or grammar and paraphrasing the text highly useful. Thus, if English is not your first language, this AI tool is going to solve your problem. Using Jenni, you can chat with the papers to draw useful insights, get answers to the questions, and get paper summaries. This can literally save so much of your time reading entire papers and understanding them. With multiple import options, you can manage the library of papers in one place for easy management, reading, and chatting. To keep this video short, I have just provided an overview, but in my earlier tutorial, I have covered all these features in much more detail. The link to the video and discount codes is given in the description in case you are looking for an upgrade. Jenni, a highly powerful and popular tool among students, which is why you can see so many authors citing it in their papers. Now we all know the importance of scientific images and illustrations in our papers, presentations, and theses. An image is worth a million words. After so much research, I find this AI tool, FigureLabs, that can help you generate highly complex scientific images from simple text inputs. Just provide the prompt as precise and detailed as you can, and it will generate high quality images that you can use in your papers or thesis. It also provides option to upload the hand-drawn sketches and converts it to publication quality images. Do check out the full tutorial of FigureLabs which is given in the description. The next thing that bothers students and researchers is plagiarism and being caught by AI detectors. For this, I found a powerful AI tool, Copyleaks, using which you can check both AI content and plagiarism in your manuscript with high accuracy and low false detection rate. It also provides a detailed report highlighting exact sentences that needs attention or improvement. So you can check that out and revise the respected sections accordingly. If you wish to try this tool, its link is given in the description. The last tool for today's video will help you plan your work, manage your projects, and daily tasks perfectly and easily. The tool is Notion AI. Even with its free version, you can easily create to-do lists and track research deadlines, write and organize notes for each paper, highlight key points, and link related concepts, collaborate with supervisors and colleagues. Useful for researchers who struggles with organization during thesis or project work. The tool has so many free templates of various categories and useful features. If you want me to make a dedicated and detailed video on it, do let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, do share it with others. Comment below which of these tools you find most helpful. And if you are interested in more such videos, you can refer my AI tools and research publishing playlist. They might help you. Lastly, if you want to stay informed about such videos, you can subscribe XploreBio and hit that bell icon.